Today I'm going to show you some of the best clips that we've captured from the Maldives. In this episode we're going to show you some of our best clips taken from our Maldives trips. We filmed sharks, dolphins, turtles, manta rays. We've even fed wild sharks. Some of the highlights from our trips were swimming with 18 baby sharks in a shoal of bait fish. Absolutely amazing. One of the best things we've ever filmed. Swimming with wild manta rays was absolutely awesome. They're very hard to see sometimes because we've been out a few times, we haven't seen them. We've also been out looking for dolphins before, where we spent a whole day out and didn't come across anything. One of the highlights for us was swimming with 18 baby sharks in a shoal of bait fish. Hundreds of thousands of bait fish with 18 sharks just circling them. Absolutely amazing. Filming with drones, GoPros, iPhones, DSLRs all over the Maldives. Filming sharks, dolphins, turtles, huge manta rays 1 meter plus. Swimming with wild sharks was very interesting, as we had moray eels with them and also a couple of sharks circling me.